I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your latest weather on demand forecast. Well, it was much cooler near Lake Superior shoreline today as temperatures really closer to Marquette and Munising were in the mid to upper 50s for a good part of the day. Marquette did break the 60-degree mark though, but at the Weather Service, the higher elevation here reached 66 degrees. A lot of places across the southwest, UP hit the mid-70s like Iron River and Ontonagon. Notice there, by the way, the sunset tonight. Take a lot of pictures of that. It will be a beautiful one, 9:42 as we close in on the latest sunset of the year at 9:46. But this weekend, nonetheless, we are certainly going to be turning up the sizzle as this is going to be 2017's warmest weekend to date. Matter of fact, we're going to see an 80-degree mark in Marquette, and that's going to be the first time we've done so late in the year. June 9th, we still have not recorded 80 degrees at the Weather Service, and last time we've done that was 2003, so 14 years ago. Matter of fact, a nice shot there of the beach. Take advantage of Mother Nature's air conditioner, as some of us may need to do just that. Look at these triple digits off in the plains there. They're certainly having air conditioning, certainly to stay cool. 102 in Pierre, 101 in Bismarck, mid-80s in Minneapolis, so get the idea that 80s, 90s, even triple digits are out there. And yes, that warmth is going to be funneling on in, especially to the southwest UP, 86 in St. Louis, mid-70s in Chicago. We do have to cross, though, some showers and storms. And matter of fact, we will have a warm front that's already just west of Chicago. You can already see the line of storms forming now. And once that guy crosses, that's when our winds go southerly. And we really have strong and gusty winds for Saturday, and that's how we warm things up very rapidly. Here's putting your weather in motion. High pressure departs off to the east. And notice we will have low pressure off to the north and west, but that will be far enough away where the bulk of that system will miss us. However, in its wake, we will see very breezy conditions on this flank of the southwest direction there, and that means we will have a warm front cross through in the afternoon, and once that does so, even hot, not out of the question there, it's a good word to use tomorrow, and the low pressure moves off. We will run the risk of seeing some showers late Saturday into Sunday. Not a huge deal, though, for most of us. However, for the southwest UP, we could run the risk of seeing a slight chance of seeing severe storms, though not nearly as widespread as they were last Saturday. With that said, temperatures under strong southwesterly winds gusting over 30 miles an hour will soar to the low 90s across the interior west, low 80s for the central UP, and mid-70s in the east. Manistique, though, will not reach 76. We're seeing only a high of 66 there. Everybody else, though, will be in the 70s across the east, and much of the UP will be in the 80s. 87 for Iron Mountain, 88 in Ironwood, and 87 degrees in Houghton as well. Your TV6 day forecast, though, we see a lot of summery conditions continue through the next 6 days. Saturday, very windy and well into the 80s, but notice the risk of storms really carries through much of this period as well, which means we turn hot and somewhat humid with all the rain around, and the storms on Sunday and Monday could be severe as well, as temperatures hovering near 80 degrees.